Hey, what's up, Tron coin holder? What's going on this time? Tron coin price will be increasing, minus 0.11% decrease now, just in only, but absolutely they were very fastly moving upward now, as you can see, my friend, just in only on the chart. Absolutely very good for it, but absolutely after a pump, every coin will dumps down. So therefore, my friend, I think we will need to predicate this coin. We will need to do a technical analysis and also, my friend, share opinion. So expert says, my friends, to win a coin where fails down, definitely after a fails they will pumps up. So let's see, my friends, do this is reality or not, my brother. But kindly holder, please, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother. As you can see, my friend, I draw these three lines, and definitely you can see, my friend, this coin where fails down, but after a dump, you can see here they will pump up and hit the resistance line. So absolutely, if the coin when hit the resistance line, so definitely, my friends, they will completely on the profit. But they will again fails down from resistance line, so they are losing. And absolutely, you can see here minus 11 point minus 0.11% they will lost now, just and only. And last, my friend, you can see here 7 days, this is very less loss, my friend, especially some coins were lost now 10%, 15%. So therefore, I think Tron is not a very bad fail, my friend. I hope after this short fail they will hit the resistance lines and they will get a very good profit. But this is possible if a holder are starting holding. So kindly I request for all of you to hold down. I hope, my friends, to Tron will give you a very good profit. But if you are missed this chance, remember, my friends, you will never get a profit. So please, I hope if, after the mid of month every coin will pumps up, so therefore you will need to sell it at the end of month. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.